YouTube, back once again. How's you doing? How's tricks, as they say? All excited. I got a new camera. Yeah, got a new camera. As you can see, yeah, it's flickering. It's not good. I apologise for that. The next one will be better. It's just rookie mistakes. I had it set up wrong. But, you know, to say sorry and reward you for still watching this video, I thought I'd give you this dancing cat. Oh. Alright, go on, you can go. Sorry. Hopefully it's going to look better, because if it looks worse, then I swear the next video I'll be crying. That'll be it. You'll get a video of me just like... No to be continued or anything. But anyway, fingers crossed, this is how it goes. Going to do another Indian snuff coffee kick, because we were talking about it in the description, so I thought in the comments, so I thought, why not, let's get it out of the way. Right, let's try and yeah, so apart from this, new camera, it was all exciting today. Had an appointment, hobbled all the way into town, got halfway there, and they rang me up and said, did you get the message? We said to do it by phone. I was like, oh, you're choking me. But such is life. Oh, come on. Right. This will stuck to my fingers now. Okay. Let's crack it open. So this is obviously Coffee Kick by 6 Photos. It's a coffee. Every Indian one that I smell from 6 Photos just smells a bit incensey to me. I'm still a little bit bunged up, but it's not as bad. I'm going to decant it into another thing. Guess what? It had a baby. Nah. I bought one to begin with, and then I lost it, and I couldn't find it, so I ended up ordering another one, and then I was moving stuff around, and I found the other one down the back of the sofa. So I've got 2 of them now. So I don't know, I might give one of them away as a giveaway, like, when I get enough subscribers. Right. Nearly there. I'm at 40. Sorry, waffling on. Right. Just breaking it up a little bit. It's you know, chocolatey sort of brown, fairly dark, but not dark. It's a little bit, I think it's got a bit of moisture in it, but it is quite dry. Fine grind. Yeah, it's quite dry. So, drier end of medium, but not medium, you know, sort of halfway between. So, medium dry. Right, let's give it a go. Oh, hang on, off the tin. Sorry, I'm a bit out of sync today. I think it was the excitement of getting my camera. I've just been like, I was again talking in the comments, we're talking about gadgets. I love a good gadget, man. And getting a new camera, you know, I was in my element. Yeah, it's still got that incensey smell about it, but you can smell coffee. It smells a bit like chocolatey coffee. I did pick up the right one, didn't I? Yeah, coffee. I was worried I'd picked up that chocolicious one because I've got that one in the box as well. Right. Let's get it up there and see what she's saying. Oh, right, hang on. Probably should have tried to loosen my nose up a bit, but it's got a bit of menthol in it. Not as much menthol as what the Gold Rush had. This one's more like that kaale. It's for me, I don't like too much menthol, so it's a nice little bit of menthol. And then yeah, it's very slight though. It's not very strong. When I've got it in my nose, I can't pick up any of that sort of Indian incensey scent. I can just about pick out a little bit of sort of a coffee type scent. Let's try number 2. It's definitely yeah, definitely drier than that Gold Rush one, but it's got a little bit of moisture in it. Yeah, I can't. I'm sort of getting a little bit of that Indian incensey scent now. But the coffee's sort of there. It comes in and out a little bit, but to be honest, it's overpowered by the menthol. I think it'd probably be a lot better if it didn't have menthol in it, because it's the menthol's drowning it out. Alright, let's try number 3, because as you know, we don't know until the 3rd bump. And then if it makes it to the 4th bump, then you know. Yeah, as I say, it's not strong menthol. For me, it's the amount of menthol that I like in a snuff. But even it being a little bit of menthol, it's still enough to just drown out that coffee scent. And I can't really pick the coffee out very well. Like, it is there, and I do kind of like pick it up coming in every now and then. But mainly just getting like a subtle sort of menthol. And then every now and again there's that little sort of Indian incensey scent. But it's not, it's not, I'm a bit underwhelmed, if I'm perfectly honest. But I will give it a 3. because it's not painful to take. Like that Gold Rush, I did not like taking it, and I did, well, did you tell? But this one, I could take it, you know, but it's not, you know, it's not nothing special about it. It's just, you know, that's all there is. Sorry, I got distracted a little bit then by my phone, but yeah, a 3. It's not, there's nothing super terrible about it, but there's definitely nothing special about it. I was hoping for a bit more of a presence from the coffee, but it's not there. It's not there at all. It's just a light menthol, really. As I say, do get it. Like, I can pick up a little bit of coffee, a little bit of Indian sort of spice, but you got to really work for it. You got to work and look for it. So, you know, that's all I can say, really. I wouldn't say the nicotine's super high on this one. Nah. Now I'm thinking about it, I can feel the nick, so it is another sort of fairly high nick snuff, but they all seem to be like that from what I've had from the Indians. So anyway, that's one man's take. Take it as you will. Well, sorry, it was a bit of a rough one today because I was a bit all over the place, but as I say, mucking about with new equipment and that, but the sound might be a bit shaky, admittedly, but that's because I can't plug my mics in yet because I need to get an adapter, so that should turn up in the next couple of days, hopefully. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, but I think everybody that's watching them's subscribed, I think. And you know, remember, tap, pinch and toot and enjoy, because that's what it's all about. And if you don't find something and time to enjoy, then what's the point? See ya.